What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Shawn Tiberio show here. Now, you got something of value, you want to give it away, and you're just not sure how to quickly, easily, and effectively get it into the hands of your ideal clients, your ideal prospects, and those who ultimately want it. Well, good news is, by the end of this video here, you're going to understand how we quickly and efficiently set up a landing page to get people opted in and deliver our free giveaways using Kajabi. As always, for the best business growth tips and tricks to help you grow and scale not just your business, but your revenue, be sure to hit that subscribe bell, turn on the bell notification so that you are aware each and every time we put another valuable video just like this one out there for you. Just like many people out there, I have tried a number of different platforms, and we here at the Shawn Tiberio Show and Top Results Consulting have landed on Kajabi as our go-to for these quick landing page build-outs and quick opt-ins. And if you're ready to take the headache away and make it super simple, then let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, I want to recap. If you haven't had a chance to check out the previous video, be sure to check out this video on what an actual lead magnet is, what it consists of, and what goes into it to make it super valuable. Now, once we understand what a lead magnet is, it's time to start thinking about how we deliver it. And that is the purpose of a landing page. Now, the landing page is nothing more than a place online that we can send somebody to that has zero other options other than to read a little bit about what it is that we are giving away, and a place for them to put in their name and email address to be able to be exchanged for this piece of valuable content or valuable answers to whatever their problem is that you are going to help deliver on. Okay, so how do we quickly and fast and kind of more efficient way build this out inside of Kajabi? Well, to show you, I'm going to dive into my computer and walk you through just a very quick setup of a simple landing page with an email follow-up and a thank you page, the whole core aspects of it. So we're going to dive into it. Now, if you want to start using Kajabi, you can get access to it for free for 28 days with the link that you see right down here at the bottom of this video. Utilizing that's going to give you 28 days free trial as opposed to just the 14 days that they offer on their website. Now, that I do got to put a disclaimer, that is an affiliate link, and by using it, you are supporting us over here. It costs you nothing different if you choose to stay on with Kajabi, but might as well take advantage of it and get the extended free trial time to have longer to play with it and test it out. But let's go ahead and dive into my computer and talk about how we set it up so fast and why we love Kajabi so much. Okay, here we are now inside of our Kajabi account, and you'll see I went under marketing, I'm under pipelines, and underneath their pipelines, they have a variety of pre-populated and pre-built out landing pages, and what they call pipelines is really just a funnel. And what we're talking about right now is the freebie. All right, we're just going to give away a free bit of information in exchange for contact information delivered upon an email and get them to a thank you page. And here's why we love Kajabi so much. Just by selecting this free pipeline, you're going to see I'm going to get an opt-in page. It's immediately going to build out the email, meaning if they put their information here, it's going to immediately set the automations to trigger this email. I'll be able to go in and edit what's on that email. And it's going to immediately take them to the thank you page so that they can be thanked, and let them know that whatever I was giving them is going to their email address, or I can even give them the ability to download it right there. And I can even add on and build even more emails behind it. But watch how simple it is to create the pipeline. I just go here and I'm just going to go freebie test for now. I'm not going to worry about the file. You could just select any old file and put it there, or whatever your free giveaway is. You could put it there. You can even put it in later. So I'm going to hit generate pipeline. It's going to do its thing. It'll build its pipeline out. It's going to start attaching whatever you attach to it. And it starts to pre-populate and build. And boom, look at that. That quick. It is done, and I now have an opt-in page, I have my email, and I have my thank you page. And if I want to go in and start to customize this out, I just click on the opt-in page. It's going to load up. So now I'm inside of my editor after clicking on that, and you can see it's got it built, and I can run with it this way, or I can start to go in and click on the different areas and start to adjust. It's very simple to figure out. You start playing with stuff, and I can go in here and say, instead of that I wanted to say free opt-in message, I can go in here and type, get this today. And it's going to start to change that on the form, and I would hit save. And anyway, I'd go through and I'd start to tweak this and change this and make this exactly what I want. And I've got one here to show you, one that's finished. This is one of our landing pages inside of Kajabi. This is the 5 secrets to building nonstop leads. You guys can go to topresultsconsulting.com/secrets to get access to it. But you see, it's just a basic landing page. A little bit of a call to action up here, headline, subheadline. We'll talk about that in a second. But then a little bit about it. And yeah, here's what we're needing. We need your first name and an email address. And as I said in the previous videos, those will be linked up down in the show note, or in the comments section. It's just an ethical bribe. Here's some great information, but I need your email and first name so that I can send you it, and also send you some updated stuff along the way. And we built out some additional pieces, some imagery of it, a little bit about what the 5 secrets are, and then finally a secondary call to action for it. And when they fill this out, they're going to get driven to a thank you page, and ultimately they're going to fall into the email sequence so that we can continue to stay in touch with those that want these secrets and be able to continue to offer additional value that could help them. So that's one reason we love the Kajabi, is because it's so simple to build the pipeline. And as you guys can see here again, there's a wide variety of pipelines in here that we could build out depending on what it is. We can even start with just a blank one and pretty much customize it. So we can start with one of the pre-built ones and customize off of that, or we can just start as a blank and just start selecting what it is that we want it to have. All right, so I'm curious, those that have attempted this in the past, what has been some of your struggles, or what has been some of your holdbacks on getting a landing page or an opt-in sequence like this built out and ready for you? Head down into the comments section and let us know in the comments so that I can also help and answer how Kajabi is going to be able to help you with that, and really kind of why it's become our go-to platform for quick landing funnels and quick sales funnels inside of even our business and all of our clients here at Top Results Consulting. Now that you've been able to see how quick and fast it is to build these out inside of Kajabi, and you understand a little bit more why this has become our go-to platform, I encourage you to use the link that you see right here, get access to your 28-day trial of Kajabi, and start building some of these landing pages for your business and see what you can start to generate while you don't pay for the platform. Again, you can go to the Kajabi website and get a 14-day trial, or you can use our affiliate link here. And if you stay on board as a Kajabi member after your 28-day trial via this link that you see here on the screen, a percentage of that does come back over to us to support us here at the Shawn Tiberio Show and at Top Results Consulting, so that we could continue to bring and provide valuable information, valuable content to each and every one of you. Also, we have our free masterclass that if you're looking to figure out how do I expedite, how do I take somebody from not really knowing who I am all the way through being ready to do business with me in a fast and efficient manner, be sure to check out our free masterclass where we break down the nuts and bolts, basically 0 to 100 of just that, getting them from completely ignorant about your business to ready to exchange money and do business with you. And you can check out that masterclass at topresultsconsulting.com/masterclass. We have it down in the notes section. Be sure to check out that link. And more importantly, I'd love to hear what you take away from that masterclass. So be sure to tag me in social media on Instagram, Facebook at Shawn Tiberio, and let me know, what did you get out of it? What did you learn from it? And if there's anything of value in this video right here that was super helpful for you and your business, let me know down in the comments section down here as well. In our next video, I'm going to be talking about how do we promote our landing page and our lead magnets and our offers, and more importantly, how do we convert them? How do we get people to want to opt into them and go to them, by talking about some of the Scientology that should happen on our landing page. So if you've got value out of this video, you're definitely going to want to come back next time and check out the video. In the meantime, please check out any of the videos that you see here on the screen, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, a like, a love, a comment, and share it out to your fellow entrepreneurs to continue to help and pay it forward and help others. Until next time, and as always, here's to your success.